Another unboxing time. So I received my order from TEMU, a smartwatch. Allow me to unbox and stay with me till the end of this video. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. This device is a bit expensive. The Europe price is in around €100. I purchased this because it's an Android that supports 4G SIM, or can be connected to Wi-Fi either way. And the good thing also, it has built-in GPS positioning and navigation functionality, as an advertise says. So I think the price is really reasonable in that range. And if you wanted to cart this, then watch this video first, so you may have an idea if this is really worth buying for. And let's start by unboxing this. Of course, the user manual, and translated in different language translation. I find so weird that you will find an accessories like this to be included in the box. So I assume that this is for pulling the SIM card out from the compartment slot, and then this Type-C charging cable. And of course the smartwatch, an Android base with 4G connectivity and Wi-Fi wireless capabilities. On this side, the red color is for power button, at the same time a wake-up button, and down of it is the return key button, at the same time volume key. And on this side is the side camera, the speaker, and the SIM card slot. And this strap back clip that serves as a lock, this holds the watch and the wristwatch case. So just slide this lock to release the smartwatch from the tray or the case. As I noticed, the lock mechanism is a bit fragile. Removing the smartwatch forcefully from the case may damage the lock and worst, getting broken. I may change the strap if I wanted to customize it. But if the case or the tray is broken, being a wristwatch is no longer useful. I am just upset I didn't notice that it is not waterproof, so in rainy days or wearing this while washing hands or swimming is strictly forbidden. Besides of the charging port is the microphone, if you notice that tiny hole or dot. And this front camera and the side camera has both 5 megapixels resolution. To turn on, press and hold the power button. In the manual it says, it will take a long time to boot, as the smart device needs to detect the applications for the first time. And that is correct. Every time I open when the battery is drained, it takes so long before I can fully use it. The first screen will appear, that is the watch face. It may look like a window type application, but it isn't. But still you can press and open those icons. That is just one of the watch face choices. Since it is an Android base, exploring the device is not an issue at all. As I said earlier, for first-time usage, everything really takes time. It's better to leave it an hour open before trying to explore it. Using another SIM card is too costly for me if I put here in smartwatch. And besides, for me, smartwatches are just for fashion, or just using it occasionally. For me, not really ideal. So it is better to connect this smartwatch into my smartphone via Wi-Fi. As to check the system, this is updated to Android 11. Then, it has 32 gigabytes of memory capacity only. It doesn't indicate in the manual that this support an SD card. So I suggest don't upload a bunch of apps, because in my test TikTok app doesn't work in here. In my test, scrolling Facebook is okay, though replying messages in Messenger app is a bit struggles since I have bigger hands. The screen keyboard letters are so tiny, and while watching in YouTube, all I can say it works perfectly well. I don't know why TikTok app doesn't work on this device. Seen this advertised in your social media account? Then take a look this video first if you want to cart this. I will be unboxing. The sounds is acceptable. The screen resolution and the clarity is manageable. Using it at nighttime is great, but in daytime, it's a struggles. But after 5 minutes of scrolling and watching in YouTube, the device getting hot. I thought it is just normal since it is my first time using it, but it isn't. Every time I open the smartwatch, try scrolling on Facebook, I find so odd it will get hot easily. Well, in my test, checking the time and scrolling on Facebook, it takes a day of usage. But watching video on YouTube, it is not okay. Aside of the device getting hot, the battery is unacceptable. One of the features that I want is the GPS function. I've been searching the app, but I can't find it. Please help me, guys. Do I need to download the app first? Yes, it can take video, or taking picture, and it is okay. Even video call in Messenger works well, but expect the device gets so much hotter. The button to switch using the front camera isn't responsive at all. Even eye touch without gloves, still not easy. It's time to check if this has really 1200 mAh battery capacity. Just a disclaimer, if my test is wrong, you may comment down below. I really appreciate it. In my test, scrolling and browsing Facebook and watching video, it is okay. But the device gets hot, and not all apps work on this device. For €100 you can buy a decent smartphone already, but if you have more budget, then why not? And if you wanted to change the watch face, here's the choices. Just do long press the home screen and swipe to select the desired watch face you want. After 2 hours of charging, this is the test result. Just a disclaimer, if my test is wrong, then you may comment below. So my reading test was 1003 mAh battery capacity. So if I divide 1003 by the battery stated in manual, which is 1200, then multiply by 100. So it has 83% that what is stated in manual is correct. And that's it if you reached till this video. Thank you so much. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to support my channel also at Rumble website or app.